everybody! Do you like tofu? Here you go. Today I'm going to make a really delicious and simple and cheap recipe. It's called mapadubu in Korean, in English mapo tofu. I just posted this recipe long time ago, years ago, but at that time I used the oyster sauce to make it salty, and also I used some dried red chili pepper and used the chicken. Mapo tofu is originated from China. But today's recipe is, I just made another version. This is more Koreanized mapadubu. With all Korean ingredients, you can make really delicious hearty food that you can share with your family members. First, I want to make really delicious oil. Garlic and ginger infused oil. I'm going to show you. Just the other day, I went to grocery store, usual grocery store. Look at that. This is bigger than my fist, isn't it? This is garlic. So usual garlic size is this. I couldn't believe it, and it's heavy also. Once I saw this, I want to show my viewers. So that's why I just brought this. And also I'm going to use this. Look at that. Oh my. So big. Oh my. Heavy. This is 1 clove of garlic, usual. You guys use this size, 4 cloves of garlic for this recipe. As long as I show you, I will use this. I'll just cut off around 4 cloves. I think this is more than 4 cloves. Cut off this bruised part. Smells garlic and ginger. Ginger is 1 teaspoon. Let's heat up the pan. Now my pan is heated. 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 1, 2, 3. So garlic and ginger, add this here. Just around 1 minute. You cook over medium-high heat until this garlic ginger is a little crispy. So this is pork shoulder, and I'll just stir this. You see, already it looks just a little crunchy. You see? Stop cooking. I don't want to burn this garlic and ginger. So just around 1 minute until crispy, and then I will add my pork. This is 8 ounce pork shoulder, but you can use also pork belly. Cut into really small cubes. My pork is cut. I'm going to turn on the heat again, and let's add pork. I keep stirring until this pork is crispy. Very important. Add 1 teaspoon salt. And ground black pepper, half a teaspoon. So next, vegetables we are going to use. Onion, green onion, and green chili pepper. This green chili pepper is not very spicy. Cut into around a ½ inch. This is, later I will use as a garnish. And green chili pepper. And let's stir this again. So now I cut off this just a ½ inch long green onion and green chili pepper, and onion. We gotta use around 1 cup of onion. This is cut into chunks. All the vegetables we are going to use. And then I will add 1 tablespoon hot pepper flakes, Korean gochugaru, to make it more like a smoky flavor and heat, give some heat. And stir this. You see, all bubbles coming up. Nice. And then vegetable. Look at that. It looks awesome, isn't it? Even this smells really good now. By the way, you can replace pork with chicken or beef. Or if you are vegetarian, what are you going to use? So, mushrooms. Nice. Soy sauce. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Hot pepper paste, about 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons. Wow, yummy, looking shiny. It turned shiny and smells really great. So now, even before tofu coming, we make everything delicious. Then I will add this chicken stock. Chicken stock or chicken broth, use unsalted. So use 1 cup. We are going to make a slurry. Combine 1/4 cup chicken stock and 1 tablespoon potato starch. Just my all vegetables are now like bubbling now. And then tofu, we gotta add tofu. This time I use the soft tofu, but you can use also medium or even firm tofu, it's okay. Add this tofu. I cut this tofu in a small size so that when I eat this and just scoop this all tofu, including all vegetables and with all broth, and then put on my rice and then mix and then eating, so easy. So tofu size should be small. And just stir gently. Now around 2 minutes after cooking, tofu is all cooked and hot. So now this is a slurry. So let's add here. Nice. And last touch, 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Hey, I changed my sesame oil bottle. How do you like it? 1 teaspoon. Nice, it looks so delicious. And chopped green onion, just a sprinkle. Korean style mapadovu done. Just in only it took 10 minutes. Delicious. I guarantee it. How do I know? I make all the time. My rice. gochunamu, this mung bean sprouts. Wow, so good. So good. Tofu is very tender and smooth and soft. And the broth is very smoky and spicy and savory. Crunchy vegetables and onions, sweetness, and even I didn't add any sugar, but it's sweet enough. So today we made Korean style mappa dubu. In English, mapo tofu. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.